Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Car Addicts. My name is Car, and today we'll be working on my grandma's 2007 GMC truck.
Okay, what we got here is the tailgate handle. It doesn't work, which is a real problem when you're trying to get into the tailgate. Real simple fix though, right Carlton?
Yeah.
All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna pop this out. You know how it comes out?
Yes.
You got little clips right here. So I'm gonna let you do that. Push down a little bit. There you go. So, and then you lift up. Really simple. Comes right out. Simple little piece. Easy to come out. So what we got here is we got these little tabs that have came out, which that's not the real problem. The real problem is it's broken up in here and it's not pulling the rods. So the real problem here is it's not activating the rods, which is not allowing the tailgate to release. So in essence, we're having to pull this to release one side and go back over and pull the other side. And then the tailgate drops down. So what we're gonna do now is, it's a 1/2 inch bolt right here on the back side. Carlton? Yep, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I got Carlton taking it loose right there. You can probably get it off by hand now. Once you get that loose, it's real easy to get back out. Here, get on this side for me. So ultimately, you just push down on the back side of these tabs right here, and then pull the rod straight out. And this just comes right out. And as you can see right here, this is the piece that broke, and it pulls down and pulls these rods. So we had gotten on Amazon and ordered our new parts, which they came in today. You want to grab our other parts right there, Carlton? Car. Grab our other parts right there. Thank you. So we got our new tailgate handle right here. Thank you, Carlton. So what you're going to do, I'm going to let you do it because you're the one that's learning how to do this. So we want to go up in there just like that. But what do we want to do first?
Line it up and then put these.
We want to put the rods in first, okay? So let's do the rods first. Scoot over. It's easier to point them straight down because they got to lock up into position like that right there. And we got this old clip right here that we need to make sure we get that off. So we get that old clip. You can see that it's broken right there on the back side. So that's just garbage. So once we get those down like that, thread it in, kind of like that right there, and then push that rod in first. Put it in the hole first. Yes, sir. And then once you put it in, you just kind of snap that tab up, and it locks it into place. Did you get it? Just like that. Yes, sir. You want to do the other side? Lock it in. All right. So once you got that in there, you can see it's real loose right now, but you can't mess it up because there's only one way to line it up. Do you want to start the bolt? Get it in there. Which way are you going to turn it?
On the right.
Yeah. Super easy to thread up. What size socket do you have there? So we got a 1/2 inch socket. All right, flip it so we can tighten it up. All right. Go ahead and get that tight. These are real bad about breaking. They're just plastic, but we're tightening it up into metal. That's good enough. We don't want to over tighten it. Go ahead. So What we want to do is just test it real quick. Yep, just pull it up right there. Going to get the other outer ring. So when we bought the part, it came with a new outer ring also. And these go back in real simple. So we got to go under the handle first, but they got the little tabs that recess down into here, and then the clips on the top. And it's just double-sided tape. Okay, sir, I'm gonna let you do that. So you thread it up under there. You gotta hook the bottom first though. So once you got it set in, just push it right on in. Yes, sir. All right, let's test it again. Make sure everything's good. Well, and that's it for today's episode.